A little birdie told me that you want to know how to put Elligel on. Well, guess what? I'm here to help you. Let's do it together now, step by step. I promise it'll be really, really quick. In every pack you get your gel wraps, a wooden stick and a nail file. This black protective layer keeps the gel soft while you're not using it. Now for the fun stuff. Today we're going to be using glitz and glam. First we start by comparing sizes to make sure you pick the correct size for your nail. With Elligel being extremely soft and flexible, you're able to gently stretch them to fit your nail. Next, we're going to press down the sides nice and firmly to make sure that there's no lifting at all during the curing process. Once our thumb is done, we're going to move on to the rest of the fingers. Always ensuring we are pressing down firmly, including the sides to make sure there's no lifting. Elligel is extremely flexible and soft. Gently pull the sides to create the perfect nail shape. Moving on to the next nail, I'm so excited to see how these are going to look when they're finished. One use for your wooden stick is helping you peel off your gel stickers from the pack. I'll show you another use for that wooden stick in just a moment. Again, I'm going to show you how to stretch the sides gently to get the perfect desired nail shape every time. Elligel is completely moldable to your natural nail. How cool! Now here's the other use for the wooden stick I was telling you about. It can really help you push those sides down, as well as being used to push your cuticles down in preparation to apply your Elligel nail wraps. Once you've applied your set of gel nail wraps, they should look a little something like this. So at this point, your nails should be nice and soft, ready to cure. With our lamp, Elligel lamps plug into any USB socket, including our personal favourite, a portable charger, making Elligel extremely convenient while on the go. Elligel stocks a 15-watt lamp. This is the strongest available lamp on the market to make sure you only need 60 seconds for curing. Once cured, Elligel will harden. Then you're able to cut the excess off. As Elligel are not supposed to be tips, they're only supposed to be a thin gel layer on your natural nails. Now for my favourite part, shaping and filing. Just make sure you don't do the dishes within 24 hours of Elligel. That's the dishwasher's job. And we're done. I just want to say thank you for letting me show you how to use Elligel. See how quick, simple and easy it is? You will have salon quality nails in no time. Go and grab yourself some. I'm sure you're going to love it.